Welcome back. OnePlus has announced that it is expanding its product portfolio in India with two new desktop monitors, the OnePlus Monitor X27 and Monitor E24. In this video, we're gonna look at the leaked features of these monitors. If this finds useful, stick till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Let's begin. The new OnePlus monitors will launch in India on December 12, and interested customers can select the Notify Me option on the official OnePlus website. The company says, the new OnePlus monitors are designed to meet the unique needs of diverse categories of users. The OnePlus Monitor X27 caters to the premium segment and is best suited for users who enjoy gaming. It will be available with a 27-inch screen size. On the other hand, the OnePlus Monitor E24 is a mid-range offering designed for regular customers with modest spec demand. It will be available in 24-inch screen size. Announcing the launch of its new products, OnePlus CoFounder said in a release, "We have grown to become one of the most loved technology brands in India, owing to the burdenless user experience and smooth performance of our products." OnePlus is excited to bring its new addition to the product portfolio, which is the OnePlus monitors. These monitors also marks relentless efforts to design innovative products, offering top-notch technology at their respective price segments. As always, consistent market analysis and valuable feedback from the community continue to shape the product offerings for users. In the last few years, OnePlus has updated its product portfolio globally and in India, owing to rising popularity and market share. The company began its journey by manufacturing smartphones and later expanded its footprint to the audio and smart wearable segments. In 2019, the company ventured into the smart TV industry. OnePlus, citing Counterpoint Research, says that it emerged as one of the top 3 smart TV brands in India, registering 123% year-on-year growth in the first half of the year. That's the video, guys. Hope it is useful, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.